In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to copy or transfer AppSheet app. First, open your browser and go to appsheet.com. Make sure you're signed in to the correct account so you can see the apps you own. Once you're on the home page, look for the area that lists your content and switch the view to Owned by Me. This filter helps you focus only on the apps that belong to your account, which is important when you're preparing to copy or hand one off. Next, switch to the Apps section. This is where all your applications are listed. Find the app you want to copy or transfer. When you hover over it, you'll see a three-dot menu, sometimes called the More Options or Overflow menu. Click that to reveal actions available for that specific app. Choose Copy. This tells AppSheet to create a duplicate of your app. The copy will typically include your app's structure, views, and behavior settings. Depending on how your data sources are set up, certain connections may need attention later, but for now, you're just initiating the duplicate. After you click, give it a moment. You may see a loading indicator while AppSheet prepares everything. This can take a few minutes, especially for larger apps, so don't worry if it doesn't finish instantly. When the copy is ready, open the copied version and look toward the top right for the Share option. Share is how you invite another person or an entire domain to access the app. Click Share to bring up the sharing dialog. In the sharing dialog, enter the recipient's email address or the domain you want to grant access to. Double check for typos here. Correct addresses ensure the right person receives the invite. Then choose the permission level that allows them to edit the app. This grants them the ability to make changes, continue development, and manage the app moving forward. It's the right choice when you're transferring responsibility or collaborating closely with another builder or a team. Finally, click Send. The recipient will receive an invitation to access the app with the permission level you selected. From there, they can open the app in their own AppSheet account and begin working with the copied version. If your app uses external data, the new editor may need to review data connections on their side, but the copied structure gives them a complete starting point. That's it. You've navigated to your apps, created a copy, and shared it with edit access so someone else can take it from here. Thanks for watching, and feel free to replay any section if you want to follow along step by step.